Our range of temporary LowPro trench covers are a patented modular solution for the immediate safe covering of trenches. The LowPro 1510 can be used to cover trenches up to 900 mm for vehicles up to 3.5 tons, while the LowPro 128 and LowPro 1111 can be used for smaller 700 mm excavations and are ideal for pedestrian areas. Available in 3 sizes and with a highly slip-resistant surface, our trench covers can be positioned in seconds, with their LowPro edges gripping the asphalt to ensure a solid, stable solution. For added security, each cover comes with bolt holes to firmly secure the cover to the asphalt. The LowPro range can be manually handled by 1 or 2 people, meaning no heavy lifting or machinery is needed on site. Fitting comfortably into a van, LowPro trench covers are perfect for rapid or emergency jobs where a walkway or driveway needs to be made safe, with their high visibility appearance ensuring they will be seen. The LowPro trench cover range is tough, with the rubber-like edges protecting it from rough on-site handling, while the modular infill system allows the trench covers to be placed in a run, maintaining strength integrity and ensuring a flat, trip-free surface. With instructions for use molded directly onto the surface of our Hawk-compliant LowPro range, the products lead the way in design, practicality and safety. At Oxford Plastics, we've got it covered.